What is it about Caucasian that mystifies the Asians? What is it about Caucasian that's so odd? They call a pretty baby a blonde. They have a hair upon their chest, and they already have one. No. Impossible! Sorry, that was not from the Drowsy Chaperone, from a different musical entirely. I have a woman who comes in once a month. Can you say that? I have a woman. Anyway, she cleans the things I absolutely refuse to clean. And she has this bad habit of putting my records away in the wrong sleeve, even though I say, no touch records, Carmela! No touch records! I suppose when I spoke to her in complete sentences, she'd actually listen. Well, this song comes from Act 2 of a different Gable and Side musical, An Enchanted Nightingale. It's about an emperor who's told by a magical bird to marry his American eloquence instead of his betrothed, and he ends up building a great wall of China in the end. Slap to 4,000 years of Chinese history.